In today's video, we have Mark DeJong from OffGrid Medic, and he's going to show you why a lot of people have been wrong for a very long time.
So, the Boy Scouts, the Girl Scouts, Trail Life USA, the SAS Survival Manual, the United States Air Force Survival Manual, they're doing it wrong. We're going to demonstrate this for you. We're going to show you why what they're teaching does not work. So what exactly have they been wrong about? Lower leg splints, okay? You have a patient who has a tib-fib fracture or a lower leg fracture. Every single manual out there, every survival manual, every first aid manual, you know what? Even the college books are getting this wrong. What they always demonstrate is 2 sticks on each side of the leg that are being held in place by cordage, okay? Let's think about the principles of splinting here. If the injury is to a long bone, then we want to immobilize the joint below and above the fracture. If the injury is to a joint, then we want to immobilize the long bone below and above the fracture. This is what the books are showing, and we're about to prove why it's wrong. So this is what the textbooks teach. Lower leg fracture, 2 sticks, 2, maybe 3 bindings, okay? And they call this good. Now, in a normal situation, obviously, this would be padded for the patient's comfort. We're not doing it today because it helps us to illustrate why the books are wrong. If you remember the principles of splinting, if the injury is to the lower leg, we want to immobilize the joint below and above the injury. Having said that, if we test this right now, based on everything that's in all these manuals, all these textbooks, even the new ones, it will not work. If her injury's here, this should be immobilized, this should be immobilized. That means that they should not bend. Brennan, would you bend your knee for me, please? Holy crap, look at that. Straighten your leg back up. Could you bend your ankle for me? Holy crap, look at that. It doesn't work. We're going to show you a very simple modification that's actually going to fix this, and we're going to make it work. So what we're going to do now, we're going to show you the right way to do it. What we're going to do is we're going to keep these 2 sticks on the side. That's going to prevent the lateral movement this way. However, the problem is that we need to immobilize the ankle and the knee. If we simply add 1 more stick behind the knee, then it is impossible for this leg to bend. We're going to demonstrate this for you. So what we've done is we've simply added 1 more stick across the back. This stick prevents the ankle from moving, prevents the knee from bending. We're going to get this lashed up. We're going to show you the final product. We're going to show you how to do it right. It's a knot that I learned whenever I was in Germany. It's called the Gudentight. It's a Gudentight. And if you talk to it and you say it when you do it, it actually gets tighter. You see that? Gudentight. See that? Pretty well. So all we've done is we've simply added 1 stick to the back of the leg right here. Adding this 1 stick physically prevents the knee from moving. Brenna, can you move your knee now? Bend it. That's not happening. Look at that. Simple, easy peasy. However, can you still move your ankle? I'm going to show you guys a really neat trick. Watch this. So what we've done to isolate the movement on the ankle is we've actually taken our shoestrings, ran them through the very end loop, looped them back up here to the middle bracing, and then we're just going to tie this off. This doesn't have to be complicated, no fancy knots. I'm just going to throw a square knot in here because it works, okay? Now, Brian, can you bend your knee for me, please? Bend it. All right. How about that ankle? Look at that. Adding 1 stick, tying the foot off, changes everything. Again, please, if you are a textbook author and you're the ones that are putting this trash out here, fix it. If you don't put the dirt time in to learn it, you don't put the dirt time in to test it, then you should not be putting bad information out there. I'm sorry, but yes, I'm calling you out.